Good afternoon. My name is Prasanna Malla. I am 25 years old. I have done diploma in culinary art from the Nepal. Currently, I am working in global restaurant where today I am going to show how we cook our fish, Shiva's fillet in here. This is as a mise plan today I have baby potato cut in slice. It's our base. We have some rocket lettuce and cherry tomato for our topping, and this is our fillet, which we are going to do pan shape. First of all, we are just going to parboil our potato. Here is water. We are going to add some salt, so it gives saltiness to the potato. Our potato is already parboiled. Now I am going to remove the potato. You can see our potato is already parboiled. We will just keep at the side. For our fish, we are going to make our lemon butter sauce. We are going to put water. Let's make warm first, so that our butter can melt easily. And we put some lemon. So actually the lemon is very good for the fish. It gives more acidity to the fish. So that's why today we are using lemon butter sauce. Now you can see slowly the butter is melting. It's also known as emulsification. We are going to taste. And little bit touch of salt. So it's going to finish. It's now a little bit thick also. And we are going to finish with chopped parsley. Okay, our potato already has been done. Our sauce is also ready. Now I am going to make one vinegar dressing, simple vinegar dressing. So for my salad, for rocket salad, I am with cherry tomato. I am going to put equal quantity of vinegar, olive oil, lemon juice, pinch of salt, black pepper. This is simple way of making vinegar dressing at home also. You can make at home also. So right now I am not going to mix with salad because it will be soggy. So at the end of the time I am just going to add our vinegar dressing with our salad, and we will just finish our fish. So right now we are going to make our fish fillet. Okay, just we know that we already parboiled our potato. Now we are going to pan shape in our pan, give us a color, Okay. First the pan should be hot always. Add oil. See, now you can see that oil is already hot because I already make the pan hot. That's why oil is already hot. Just put your potato. So you can hear the sound. That means the pan is nicely and properly heated. Our fish is already properly thawed. It's look fresh. So first of all, what I'm just going to put salt. Make sure salt cover every place. White pepper down the side. Salt, pepper, and some lemon juice. So it's already marinated. Now just inside up. Make sure your oil is properly hot. Okay. And always flat side at the bottom. Make sure do not move the feet. Make sure it's properly clear from the below because we are looking for the nice color. One more time. You can see, I can now see that my bottom side is already colored and with the turn over slowly. See, you can see the golden color. This is how golden color. Now I am going to put butter. It's called braising. So you are using butter. Normally fish doesn't take so much time to cook. So up to like normally it takes only 4 minutes to cook from. So whenever you are making fish, just cook this side 4 minutes is enough. So you get a nice color, golden color. Here right now what we are doing is we are cooking with the butter. So you get the butter and we are cooking with the butter. You can just feel it's almost done. It's done now. See, now you can see our fish is almost done. You can feel also. Okay. Now it's time for cooking. Now I am going to see, now our fish is ready, potato is ready, our salad is ready. So now I am going to show how pretty we have done in here. First of all, we are going to put potato. Nicely. Our potato is done. Always be gentle with the fish, okay? So here is our dressing. Right now I am using rocket lettuce. If you don't have rocket lettuce, you can use dill leaf also. It's very good with the fish. Just couple of cherry tomato at the side. Okay. And raise up little bit. So firstly, this is our fancier chivas with fancier potato and some green salad. Thank you. Now you can enjoy it.